What's up? So, today I am going on an adventure to IKEA, and I don't like traveling during current world events, but I have to because I have looked at every single store that I could think of that could possibly sell gingerbread house kits without them being over $20. I'm gonna go to IKEA and see if they have any left because they said in limited quantity online. Could not buy them off their internet website. So I'm hoping they have it. And there's my Christmas outfit. If they don't have it, I'm gonna cry. But let's go! Cutie now! Yay! Kawaii kore. I'm so tempted to buy a tree now. It's so cheap. It's only $20 for this tree. And for the whole set it's about $27.